Watch this video blow up. This is how simple this is. Oh, see that sunlight? 3 things you're going to want to implement. You keep these 3 things inside of your mind and your heart. It's done. If you're just now seeing my face, my name is Master Johnson. I have a tendency of making things make sense. My energy is so magnetic. It only does 1 of 2 things. It attracts those that are ready for it, repels away those that are not. See, I have a gift, and this gift is I am a spokesperson of change, essentially. For all the individuals that are looking to change their life in all of the right ways, in professionalism, prosperity, etc., they see my face. You're at a position where you're ready for change. Here I am. 3 things. Put it inside of the comments so you can anchor it in. Number 1. Suits. Everybody has a suit. Everybody has an identity, so to speak. The suit that you're wearing is how you're going to be able to show up. Now just stick with me. The second one, the second S, put this in the comments, stages. Everyone has a stage. Everyone. And then the third thing, story. Everyone has a story. Now you may think that I'm talking about physical, like, oh, you're going to need a nice suit. And usually people that see my face, they typically have a story to tell, but they're looking for a stage to tell it from. A podcast, an actual stage, of being hosted, whatever it is. A platform, a channel. You get what I'm saying. But here's what I need you to implement moving forward. Number 1, every single day, I need you to choose your thoughts, feelings, and emotions like you would choose a suit that you are going to wear to a stage. Second thing, you're on a stage. It's called the stage of life. And however you show up in whatever suit that you decide to wear internally is how you're going to show up to the stage of reality. But this is the beautiful part about it. When you get to the stage, you have to operate within a story. Meaning no matter what, your consciousness, your awareness is telling the story about your life in whatever suit that you chose to wear. Now this is the thing. A lot of people wear the naked suit. Yeah. No, a lot of people, they show up to their life, like today, they show up to their reality feeling naked. They show up feeling embarrassed, shameful, worried, doubting, fearful. Thinking about what other people are thinking about them. Thinking about how do I make sure I have enough? How do I make sure that I am enough? How? It's time to change the suit, man. It's time to show up to your stage, man. It's time to give a better story. Now, this right now goes beyond my words. This is actual universal principle. This is actual biblical text. When Jesus says, "Who do you say I am?" That is life, literally looking at you in the face and saying, "Who are you saying you are?" It's everything about self-concept. What is the suit that you are wearing to the stage of life? And then what is the story that you are speaking for the world to witness? See that sun right there? Watch it again because it's bright as hell. Bam! That light is always on you. It's always on you. Okay, now watch this. You are always the spotlight of your life. You are always telling a story about yourself. You are watching yourself on this stage of life, and you are what you have chosen to be. Or you are allowed, essentially, you're allowing yourself to be what you have tolerated yourself to be. You don't always get your goals, my friends, but you always get your standards. And if you want to know your standards, look at what you've been tolerating. It's time for you to no longer tolerate the places, the stages, the suits that no longer fit. I think it's time for a new suit. I think it's time for a new stage. I think it's time for your story. I love this video. This is a good one. If you love this, again, inside of the comments, put those 3 words: suits, stages, stories. Now, for those that are willing and ready, I have a community. I have a wait list. And it's a group of a whole bunch of amazing, amazing people that I am leading, that I am teaching, that have access to a lot of things that I've created. If you're still seeing my face right now, that means you were part of that 1%. I would invite you, if you feel inclined, send me the word waitlist. This is my only account, Master Johnson. If you're seeing my face in this actual video inside of my actual account, that's even more to it. Listen, my friend, you asked for help. I'm here. Again, go to my page, send me the message, waitlist. We'll be in touch.